Well, I guess we'll see if this thing will start. It looks like it's a little late. Oh yeah. John Deere 3320 cold started right up, hadn't been going in a month. Now let's clean it off. First we'll put these snow chains on so we can actually move and go somewhere. Clean up a little bit with a bucket, then we'll put the snowblower on, which is over there. When it should be over here. So we're gonna get started on that.
This is what happens when you're not ready for the winter. It's 1.5 foot of snow here. It's been snowing since Christmas Day. And we're totally not ready. So here we go.
If you jack up your tractor using your bucket first, you can put your snow chains on, then put your blower on. Because if you do it the other way, your blower won't lift your front tires off the ground. Now to get the snow chains. Jingle chain, jingle chain. Ha ha ha.
Ha ha ha.
Alright, let's got a few more brackets to put on, and we can put the snowblower on, blow some snow everywhere. Everybody will enjoy that. So I'll get these on, we'll be right back. Boom. One. See this little lock? This is what keeps that thing locked, keeps those pins in there. You put that like that, then you just kind of tap it in a little at a time. There we go. There we go, now she's going in. Everything goes better with a hammer, of course. Then you get it all the way in there. One little clip holds it all together. Boom. Done. That's my Front Mount pin for that. One more pin. Keep it from falling off. Here we go. Alright, so we got all the stuff attached. We got our arms on, then we get our snowblower on. We just have to get the dry shaft attached, but it's kind of stuck together from being sitting outside on the summertime. Kind of rusted together, so we put a little WD-40 on there, and we'll let that sit for a little bit. And then as soon as we get that hooked up, we're going to blow some snow. There she goes. Yeah, she's good. She is good. All right. Got some snow blowing action going. La 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 think, Rue?
I like it.
Rue's ready to blow some snow. That was the first one. Let's do the other one first then. Let's do the yellow one first. Boom. Went in like butter. Rue, that one went in like butter. Like butter with cream sauce. That went in so easy. Oh my goodness. It's a wrap. That makes me want to go inside the rest of the day. That was way too easy. It never does it that easy. There we go. Okay.
There's a couple of rocks. This thing will shoot a rock through your house, so be careful.
What we have here is a John Deere 3320 with a 59-inch snowblower. Runs off PTO. It'll really blow the snow good. it gets our snow out of the way, and you can see over here by the fence how much we take off, about 10 inches to a foot all the way over to the chicken coop. Got quite a bit of snow last night for a change. Well, let's kind of run you around the tractor here. Look at the front here. It runs off a drive shaft on the front, which is the PTO. It's got a mid-mount PTO that runs into it. Keeps her spinning, throws the snow good. It's got up and down on the snowblower, and then right and left turns your blower nozzle, so you don't have to get off the tractor to do that. And you don't have to go backwards to blow snow, which is what a lot of people do, but I don't like going backwards. That's not very positive. I like going forward. And I've got some snow chains here on the front. We just put those on today. We got a little clip of me struggling with those. If you put on the snow chains while you still have your loader on, you can raise the front tires off the ground with the loader. It's much easier. The downward force on the snow blower up and down won't pick the tractor up off the ground. So do it before you take your loader off. And then walk around the back. We have a ballast box. Had a plant growing out of it during the summer. That's full of cement mix. So that's where I usually keep my hammer. Just throw it in there, that way you always have a hammer with you. That keeps the weight on the back tires, makes it go in the snow good. And then if you have snow chains on the front, it just makes it that much better. Over here is our front end loader. We took it off. And then just behind that, we have our box blade we bought this year, added to our implements for our tractor. And guys, it really helps if you can get your woman to help you do this, because they can drive the tractor and move it around. You can do stuff. If you try to do that by yourself, it's very difficult, and it takes you like an hour and a half. And with a woman's help, it takes you 30 minutes. So just ask. It's easy. So in conclusion, buy a John Deere tractor. I've had this one for 10 years. I haven't had to do anything but change the oil and hydraulic fluids. This one's a John Deere 3320. It'll get the job done. Anything smaller than this, you probably don't want it for farm use. This is probably about as small as you want for a farm. But remember, love your woman or someone else will. Always like to end it like that. But like, subscribe. If you want to see the John Deere snowblower blowing some more, let me know. Anything you want to see us blowing snow with it, let me know. We'll shoot some around for you. Have a great time. Like and subscribe. Elliott Farm. Peace out.